Hello lovelies! Welcome to the J Kingdom channel. This is my other account aside from Gracie's Little Kingdom. So I have a copyright claim because of the one video, this one. So I wanted to remove those copyright claim. So I will show you how to do it and what are the options. All you have to do is go to YouTube Studio. Okay, then videos. Okay, there you are. As you can see, copyright claim. Click the details. Okay, it says here, channel impact not affected. The content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. This is not a strike, okay? Visibility public, then monetization ineligible. That means even though you're not in the YouTube partner program, it says here. So this is, as you can see, this will not be eligible for monetization. That's why it's red. Okay, then now I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, this is all 19, but every day I do this one by one, so it remain 6 left. All you have to do is okay, this is the select action, right? You have the choices to trim out segment, replace song, or mute the song. So I want to see first here, claim type. I want to check what is the part, or which part of the video is copyright claim. So as you can see, this one, it says there from 6 minutes and 21 seconds to 9 minutes to 29 seconds. That is content found during these minutes. This song is monetized in some territories. So this video cannot be monetized. Ad revenue paid to the copyright owner. Okay. So there is the possibility that if ever that I want to apply the monetization, this could lead to disapprove for the YPP, the YouTube program monetization. So what I will do is I will trim the segment or replace the song or mute the music. So if ever that you want to trim the segment, this is what will happen. There you are. So it will show. Then you can click the preview trim video. So that means that from 6 minutes to 20 seconds until 9 to 29 seconds. If you do this preview trim and then you will continue, after that, this start time until end of this time, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3 minutes and 9 seconds will be deleted. Okay? But if you want to just select other, replace the song. Let's see if I can replace the song. Okay. Let's see. We need to check first if I can replace the song. It's loading. There you are. So, okay. All these boxes, the small ones, the big ones, they are all copyright. Monetized by copyright owner. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 19, 6 left. So if you press that, Tender Love, okay, so that's the one. You can actually change this. See this? You can change the music. It's up to you. Add the video, whatever music would you like to change. Okay, you can select from alternative bank to all the, see that all genres there. You can select the mood too if you want. See, and this is the duration of the song. A while ago I mentioned 2 minutes. Is it 2 minutes? 3 minutes and 9 seconds. So okay, so you have to check at least 3 minutes up the music, just like this 5:31. So you cannot add this video because it's 2 minutes and 31 seconds only. But you need to, okay, well, let's check this. What is the song? Let's see. Ambient means this is very like very low, slow music. So you can change it to let's see, classical. Let's see, because this soothing relaxation music, I think this classical or this ambient actually is really fit with that. Okay, let's check. So if you like those songs, then you can add the video. If you add that, then this one will change. Okay, but if you want to select other option like mute the song, then this 6:20 start time, 6:20 until end of time 9:29. If you press this preview muted video and then continue, then this part will be muted. But I don't think so it's good because this is music, so I don't want it to be mute. So it's either I will change the music or I will replace the music. It's like that. But this time I would like to trim the music. Oh, that is a nice song. I like that. So I will try this first. This one, 14. This is 4 minutes. So I will try the other 6. Okay, this one. So what I will do is trim. Okay, I selected trim. Then preview, trim video. Okay, that is I think 30 seconds. Then after that, guys, you can continue. Then this one. Okay, trim that. And then you have to wait for a couple of hours because this is 1 hour video, so it will take time. So while this is on process, everything, you cannot do anything. You need to wait. So that means you get back later or tomorrow again. Then now I will close that. So later on I will get back on that if it's already okay or not. All you have to do is just check it again. Once the select action is turned to blue, that means you can do some actions to this remaining videos. So once that is done, so I will still have 5 more to go. So that's all, guys. I hope that you learn from that how to trim, mute the music, and replace the song. So if ever that it's not about CPR and you just want to change the song, all you have to do is click this and then go to the editor. If you want to change the music, you can go in here, click this one, then audio, There you are. So my music is, let's hear. Oh. I think this is beautiful, right? So, but if I want to change this, change to classical. Oh, no, this one. How about this one? Okay, I can add the video. Right away, I can add the video. See that? Because I already added the video. So, the song already changed. If you want to save that changes, then you can save it in here. Like that. You can save in there. But since I don't want to change it, I just showed it to you how to do it. Okay, so now it's already changed, right? But I removed from video. So, okay, so now it goes back to normal. Not unless you save this, the changes, then it will change to other song. I'm just showing it to you guys. So I hope that you learn from that tutorial and you know what to do now. Okay, I will see you again, guys. And if you have any questions, okay, I will upload this later in my Facebook, so you can watch it, and then you just comment something if you want me to do any tutorial regarding YouTube. Okay, bye and take care. See you again.